I'm independent, got my own. And I can run the cash up if I want to. Run it up, body cold, frosty. And I'm so bossy, and I'm so saucy. And my clothes cost hood and I'm bougie. Gucci on my booty.
Hey guys, it's Jerika. Welcome to my channel. So today I am doing another makeup tutorial or review, not even a tutorial, about the new palette that just came out from Urban Decay. So this is what the packaging looks like. I think this is adorable. I love the case. Like, it's in a really sturdy case, and I like the pictures on it. And when I opened it up and saw how big the eyeshadows were, OMG. And this mirror, y'all, look. Like, the colors. Look at the colors, you guys. It's so pretty. Like, they're so pretty. And I love mirrors on stuff, even though I don't ever use the mirror. I might use it today, I'm not sure. But like, when I swatched the colors, I was like, oh my god. They swatch so pretty. I just did not know what to do with myself. I'm like, I have to get this. We'll see. I don't know exactly what color combo I'm going to do yet, but I am in love with this packaging. I love that it's a magnet. Yeah, so they definitely did their thing with the packaging, and now I understand why it's $49, because you get plenty of eyeshadow. They're really pigmented. At least they swatch pigmented, because you know sometimes you could swatch something and it could be bomb, and then when you try and put it on your eyes, it's like totally different. So hopefully this is the last eyeshadow palette I will ever buy. I know I said that before, but then I saw this and I'm like, the only reason why I decided to buy one more makeup palette is because this palette had colors that I don't have. That's the only reason, because there's so many palettes coming out these days. They all got the same colors, but everybody's buying it because they're particular to a brand. I'm not particular to brand, but if I'm gonna buy something, I want to buy something that I know I'm going to actually put to use, and this I feel like I will put to use because it's colors that I don't have. But if this was all colors that I had, like in a Morphe palette or whatever other palette, I would have not bought it, because it wouldn't have been a point to buy it. Like, I don't feel the need in spending so much money on makeup that I'm never going to use. Until I start getting PR packages where I can start doing giveaways for you guys, because that's what I'm going to be doing with that stuff. Because I mean, I see so many people here on YouTube with so much packages, and it's like, what do you even do with all of it? So yeah, let me stop rambling, and I'm going to go ahead and get to the makeup tutorial. Alright, you guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is my normal usual routine, which is priming my lids with some concealer first, because I don't have any eyeshadow primer, so I'm just going to use this, and I'm just going to put it on like that. And I'm going to set with my Sacha buttercup, because I need some type of powder to set this. Alright, so the first color that I think I'm going to go into, I'm always nervous when it comes to the first color, because I'm always like trying to figure out, like, how is this makeup going to look? Like, is it going to come out right? I'm going to try and go in with Riff. Let's see how this applies. I'm really scared. Okay, I see you, pigmentation. We see you out here. So now that the initial, whatever I call it, what do you call it? Like the initial reaction to the eyeshadow. Hoping you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm just going to use the color Red. I'm gonna try and go in with Baja. We're gonna see. Baja is a really orange color. I'm really hoping this green from this won't affect this. Yeah, like I said, that color should have been first, and then the brown should have been second, but since we're already doing this, let's just keep going with the flow. All right, y'all, so now that we got that out the way, the next color I'm going to go into the color called Accelerate, which is where is it? right here. I'm gonna go into that color. I'm gonna use some Fix Plus. I feel like I need to get the regular Fix Plus because I don't like using my MAC Fix Plus. I mean my matte MAC Fix Plus to wet my brushes. But I actually really like Fix Plus, and now I see what the hype is. It really keeps your makeup on. Cause like I had tried to wipe my makeup off last night and I actually had a really hard time doing that. So I like it. So I'm gonna go in with Accelerate. Oh my god, these colors. The pigmentation, you guys, like the pigmentation. Doing that to my eyeball is really giving me a headache. Ooh, that's so pretty. I'm so excited. Okay, so the next color I'm going to go in with, I don't know if I want to go in with Ignite or Stranded. Stranded looks like a really pretty gold. Ooh, I don't know what color I want to do. So going in with Ignite first. Oh, you guys. Oh my god, that just intensified it when I use my brush to the side. Oh. Okay, so apparently doing your brush sideways makes a huge difference. So let me go ahead and do that. So pretty, like the camera is not even getting this. Oh my god, you guys. You guys. Okay, I have to zoom in. Like, I'm really hoping you guys are seeing what I am seeing right now. Let me make sure. I changed my coloring a little bit because I'm hoping, I want you guys to see the magic that I'm seeing right now. Like, I am blown away. It's so pretty. Back in with Accelerate on the edges. Oh my god. I am in love, you guys. Actually in love with this palette. Now I am going to go back in a little bit with Ignite, and then I'm going to put a little bit of Stranded on top. Alright you guys, so I have applied a little bit of liner and put on my lashes. I never do that on camera, y'all already know, because it never comes out right. It takes me forever. And I've applied my Pond's as a moisturizer. I've also been using the Beauty Bakery Wake and Bake oil. Like, I love that stuff. So now I'm going to use the NYX Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer. I really like this primer. I feel like between this and the MAC setting spray, the Fix Plus, like my makeup was set. Like, it was on and it was not going anywhere. I did get some Fenty Beauty foundation, so I will be trying that. I'm really excited to try that, by the way. Like, really excited. So I'm just making sure that this primer is set. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna see if it works. Somebody suggested to put powder on your smile line before the foundation. We're gonna see. I just honestly don't think anything can stop this from happening, just because like it's just such a thick line. Like, I just can't get rid of it. Like, no matter what I do, it's just there. It's just there, man. Like, ew, I ate it. Ew. I don't know why it's so deep. Like, this side I don't really have a smile line, and this side I do. Like, this is a deep smile line and it creases so quick. Like, foundation barely be on 2 seconds and it's already like sharp cutting its way through. It's highly irritating, but we're gonna see if this works. I really hope that this works, because I feel like this is kind of like packing it with products, so maybe it'll like fill or something. Just go ahead and set really quick in the areas where I get oily. Alright, so I'm going in with my normal, y'all already, let me zoom out a little bit. I'm going in with my normal foundation, the L'Oreal Pro Matte. I have yet to find a foundation that's this bomb. Even even high end. Like, y'all know the foundations I've tried. Well, using my beauty blender. The thing I love about this foundation is even if I don't set it, it still looks bomb. Like, I could do nothing else and I look fine. Like, obviously I don't have, like, you know, super contoured cheeks or whatever, but you don't need that all the time. Sometimes if you just want to just look like, have like a natural finish, you could just do this and just set with a little powder and just be on your way. Okay, so I'm done with the foundation. Okay, so I guess it wasn't meant for me to display that. So now I'm going to do my concealer. The concealer I brought with me is my Makeup Revolution. Again, this is a dupe to the Tarte Shape Tape. It works so good. It's super full coverage. I like it. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Dark Cocoa. I finally feel like I'm at a place where I actually like how my makeup looks. Knock on wood. So now I'm going to bake or press the powder in my skin, the Sacha Buttercup. Alright, so I'm going to use this round buffer brush by Lavish. I'm just going to buff away powder. Alright, so the next thing you could do is a powder contour. I am going to use my Itsmyrayeraye BH Cosmetics kit. I'm going to go in with the color Mocha. And for a highlighter, I'm going to use Morphe, and I'm going to go with the Itsmyrayeraye. So I'm going to use my e.l.f. blush brush to apply it. Hopefully that I don't apply it. I'm going to do a light hand today. Start small and build my way up. Because normally I just be like bam, and then it'd be like this big old strip that I gotta try and buff out. Yeah, that's better. A little bit. So what I do like to do though, which I don't even think I brought that brush. I definitely don't think I brought it. I don't see it in my bag. I usually use this one brush to do my highlight on my brow bone, but I don't even think I brought that brush. Alright, next color I'm going to do is the Itsmyrayeraye, I'm going in with the color called Radiant. French Toast is a little too dark, so I gotta use Radiance. Going in with my Morphe M510 brush, starting with a little bit at a time. Oh my god. You guys. Love it so much. Okay, so now that I have that done, that is it, you guys, because y'all know I really don't do lipstick. Not when I gotta talk a lot. I don't like it. So I'm gonna set my face with my MAC Matte Fix Plus. Makeup is set, y'all. Like, that MAC really sets your, like, I really feel like my makeup is set. Okay, so now that it's set, I want to go back under my eye with that color that I used earlier from the Born to Run palette, which is Baja Orange under there, which I think is bomb. It is so pretty. So let me zoom out for y'all. So you guys, this is the finished makeup look. I freaking love it. Like, I am in love with this palette. If you can splurge, I highly suggest to get this palette, okay? You know, like, I like Too Faced and all that kind of stuff, but I love this palette. This palette is bomb. You guys, get the palette, okay? Like, get it. Like, it's so pigmented. The colors are so pretty. This is one of those palettes where it's like a one palette. Like, if you're going out of town on vacation, this is the palette you can take. You can get so many bomb looks. You can get so many bomb looks with this palette. It has neutral shades, it has metallic shades, and everybody be hollering about they want like more matte browns and a matte black. This black is kind of like a velvet. It's not super matte, but it's also not shiny either. So this palette is bomb. I love it. 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 And I like I said, I'm selling my Too Faced chocolate gold palette. If you want it for $20, let me know. If not, I'm just gonna get on Facebook and sell it there, because I know somebody gonna want it that didn't want to splurge on the $49. So if you guys enjoyed this video, which I hope you did, wait, ooh, my camera's sliding. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, which I hope you did, I hope you guys thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat to keep up with me in my daily life. But that's pretty much it for this video, so I thank you guys so much for watching, and have a good day.
I'm independent, got my own, and I can run the cash up if I want to. Run it up, body cold, frosty, and I'm so bossy, and I'm so saucy, and my clothes cost hood and I'm bougie, Gucci on my